Hey guys, welcome back to my video. This is the day 8 of my video. And now I will cook rice for our dinner. And now since wala tayong rice cooker, kailangan natin ng apoy para makaluto ng bigas. And now I'm using other plastics to make a fire or made a fire because it didn't work. At ngayon, kukuha ko ng bigas para sa pagluluto. This is the end of my video. Thank you for watching and see you to my next delivery.